I'm still very active and deeply grateful. The staff there, the information that they do is, it's really assuring, and it makes you feel like they are really engaged in your care. So 3 weeks before surgery, I started the pre-op rehab program, and I enjoyed it. It was easy to do. It was easy to do online wherever I was. And, of course, one of those things that gave me, I thought, an edge on having the best outcome for my surgery. I cannot imagine that there would have been a better experience. She was very good clinically as far as, I had the video. So looking at the knee, looking at the scar, using the video to actually make sure that I was doing the exercises properly. She was very focused on, teaching me how to rehab my knee. It was easy to set up appointments. A couple of times I had to reschedule. That was easily done. It was very focused, and I know it sounds odd since it was all done online, but she was very hands-on. It was as though she was here. I am extremely satisfied. I would do online physical therapy again if I needed to. I wouldn't even give it a second thought. It was that good of an experience. I have to tell you, my sister had knee replacement surgery she had hers August 12th. I had mine August 21st. I am leaps and bounds ahead of her, and she had a hands-on physical therapist. And I attribute my success to my team, to a great staff that made me feel like, hey, you're doing good. They were always so encouraging and positive. And I tell people this: if you've got to have physical therapy, this is what you need to do. I can't imagine a person that it would not be for. It's incredibly convenient. You do this in the safety of your own home. A couple of times, because of internet connectivity, I went over to our shop and did sessions from the shop. But it's a flexible system. They have great physical therapists. I connected with Dr. Christine, and I picked up on very quickly that, she's about seeing you get back to your normal life. So, yes, this is a program that is great for everybody. I can't imagine choosing having to go to a brick and mortar building when you can stay home and get the same quality. The way that it's set up, the contact that you have, the supplies that you get, the support that you get, the availability of everybody. If you have a question, whether it's by phone or text or email, responses are very quick. I mean, you feel like they're almost in the room with you.